What's up, Adventure fam? Today we're going to talk about how to change the default map layer on AllTrails. Now this is the default map layer you see while you're navigating through the app and trying to choose the trail that you're going to adventure on next. So this is actually really easy to do within the application itself, and I'm going to go ahead and be using my iPhone to demo this. I'm sure it's very similar for the Android platform as well. First things first, we're going to go ahead and open up the AllTrails app. Once it is loaded for you, you are going to click on the bottom right and click on the profile button. Once your profile is loaded, you'll click on the settings icon, and from the settings icon you can see the second option there is default map type. So I'm going to click on that default map type. So it's going to load the map types, and here you can see that there are 8 different options. It only looks like 6 on the screen, but if you actually scroll with your thumb, there is more. With the satellite option selected, I'm going to go ahead and swipe down. You can see the default map type has been updated. And now what I like to do is hit the close button and even force close out of the application to really make sure that it's stuck. So you can reopen the AllTrails app now. And by default, when you click on the map, you can see that it is now showing satellite. The interesting thing is if you were to click on a trail, it would still show the default map type here, which is the AllTrails map layer. But once I click into it to do further research and kind of drag around the map and see what it is, it'll start using our preference of the satellite map. At any time, if you want to change this back to a different map view, all you need to do is back out of this, go to your profile, hit settings, and then change that default map type to whichever one you want. If this is your first time visiting, welcome to the channel. My name is Dan. I do trail recaps and extended cuts. I also like talking about the products and gear we use on our daily adventures. If that's something you're interested in, go ahead and click that subscribe button down below for future videos and updates.